Hi, this is Scott Varilek, Varilek Trading in Sioux Center, Iowa. We've got a cattle market kind of doing a little bit of a sideways chop here the last week. We've got a live cattle trading range we've been in for about a month, and it'll get to the top side, and we think it's breaking out of the top side. It gets to the bottom side, think it's breaking out of the bottom side. So just a little bit of jockeying happening with not a major direction. So technical wise, you're going to look at those kind of ranges, and I think some of the traders really will be looking at those ranges to say, okay, whatever side we break out of could have some impact on the market. Fundamental wise, we're feeling pretty good. Cash cattle trading 184 for the most part here on Thursday and Friday as well. So like what I'm hearing there, Packers are close to the knife. It feels like they've all been pretty close to the knife for an extended amount of time here, but they're just continuing to manage these tighter numbers, and I feel like they've done a good job of it because cash almost feels like at times that it could get away and really pop, but it just kind of maybe get a couple dollar rally from the week before. So had good cleanup this week. A lot of cattle being sold and getting picked up early. We need that to happen because we've got some pretty good feeding weather and we've got some cheaper feed. And we don't want to dig our own grave when we start putting too much weight on some of these cattle. So that's going to be something we're going to have to monitor with these good feeding conditions and producers wanting to make them bigger, feeding for that spring rally, because we do have demand, peaks that happen here in the spring. But we can usually put our futures highs in ahead of that. Usually we'll, buy the rumor, sell the fact. Once we get to the good demand, we've already we're a futures market. It is going to start to trade a little bit lower from then. So we'll be watching that kind of a theme there. Feeder calves, they've been, cash prices are great. That's been keeping the market up a lot higher. We've got big triple-digit gains on a Friday after you think maybe it's going to be on a break for a little while. So everything trading pretty good in that sector there. Questions, call us. Varilek Trading, Sioux Center, Iowa. Risk of loss in trading futures and or options is substantial.